Hello YouTube, this is my PC setup. So here's my PC here. It is pretty slick. I just got finished building the whole thing today. I've gradually, starting last year, I gradually got more and more pieces, and the case was the finishing touch. It is Intel Core i7-6700K, water cooled, and an RX 480 with 8 gigs of VRAM, 32 gigs of G.Skill DDR4 RAM. Then, my favorite part is RGB lights. It can have red, blue, or green, white, and you can just strobe random colors, strobe light effect, and then my favorite of all, it is the color cycle, and it just cycles through all the colors. I still have yet to get my RAM to go in sync with it. If we can go here, it's G.Skill. This is 4K curved monitor. So let's see here, we can go through color cycle. And there that is, but it is off sync with all the fans and stuff, and I have to figure that out. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. But also the little light on the water cooler is RGB as well, and that's just set to red because you can't really have a color cycle. So yeah, I look forward to using this in my setup here. I also have a pro gaming keyboard, and you can just have different cool functions. Yeah, it's really cool. And then again the monitor, and then just some fancy mouse, because why not? And yeah, this is basically my setup here, and I look forward to be using it. So yeah, thanks for watching.